In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Excalidraw. Start by opening your browser and heading to excalidraw.com. The app loads instantly, and you'll see a large, blank canvas ready for your ideas. Before drawing, get comfortable moving around. To pan the canvas, hold the spacebar and drag, or simply use your mouse's scroll wheel to slide the view. When you need a closer look or a wider view, use your mouse to zoom. This makes it much easier to refine details or overview your entire diagram without losing your place. Now let's draw some shapes. In the toolbar, choose a shape like a rectangle, diamond, or ellipse. Click and drag on the canvas to create it. If you want perfectly even squares or circles, hold the Shift key as you drag. This is great for keeping diagrams neat and consistent. You can place multiple shapes quickly by repeating that click and drag motion wherever you need them. To add text, double-click either on an existing element or anywhere empty on the canvas. Type your label, heading, or note. When you're done, press Enter to finish. If you decide not to add text, press ESC to exit text mode. This keeps your flow quick, especially when labeling shapes in a diagram or sketching ideas as they come. For freeform sketching, select the Draw tool and scribble naturally on the canvas. It's perfect for quick wireframes or handwritten notes. When you need precision, switch to the line or arrow tools. Click to start, then click again to add points, creating clean multi-segment paths. This makes it easy to connect shapes, map processes, or build flowcharts that are easy to follow. To refine your layout, click any object to select it. Small handles appear around the selection. Drag these handles to resize, and use the corner handles to rotate. A little bit of rotation adds personality, while precise resizing helps keep everything aligned. Open the sidebar to style your elements. Here you can adjust the fill color, stroke color, line width, and whether edges look sharp or rounded. You can also tweak the sloppiness, which controls that hand-drawn vibe Excalidraw is known for, from neat and tidy to sketchy and playful. Small changes here go a long way toward readability and visual hierarchy. When elements belong together, select them with Shift plus click and group them using Ctrl or CMD plus G. Grouping lets you move and arrange them as one unit, keeping related pieces locked together while you continue building out your canvas. That's it. Open, navigate, draw, style, and group. You're ready to create clear, expressive diagrams in Excalidraw.